Today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your editing workflow with Cardboard. So if you are a video editor, you'll spend a lot of time sitting with your timeline over here and clicking on a clip, changing the properties of the clip, changing the transitions over here, going to transitions, choosing one that works. Let's go ahead, use this one over here. Let's say you play it and let's say
everything.
Does it work? Doesn't it work? I don't know. That is time consuming if we do this, right? But there is a nicer way to do this on Cardboard. Now, on the right hand side, you will see the chat box. You can speak to what they call the director, and this is the AI that allow you to make any edits that you'd like to edit. Now, all you need to do is type out what you would like to do. Quite simply, we're going to go ahead and we can type out what we would like. Now, it's taken me a few seconds to type this out, but basically, all of this would take you maybe an hour, half an hour, whatever, to do manually. But we're going to make the intro more fast-paced and edgy. We're going to change the transition styles for all the clips. We're going to change the voice over to a female voice with a soft, gentle tone. We're going to add a color grade over all of the clips to make it feel old and nostalgic. And quite simply, all we have to do is click on send. It'll now do all of this for you automatically. And this is the way you can speed up your workflows. Whatever it is that you need to do, go ahead, click in the box, type it out, and the edits will be done for you without you having to do it. Just think about one simple thing, looking for a voice. Looking for a voice, you'll have to go through the voices and see which voice matches your clip's needs. Choosing music, the same thing. Having a look at the transitions. Everything that you do will take time to look through and find the right fit. This, on Cardboard, allows you to do everything automatically using natural human language. That is a workflow speed up.